Neighbor must be fucking mad to stay in her house.
Who?
Neighbor.
Yup, this is up by me, y'all. This is not what nobody here expected. This is my view of Dorian from my front door. Look at this. This is Hurricane Dorian. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
I got it right from
No one expected this here. We were supposed to be expecting rain.
Let them come the beacon.
And this is no way 63 miles per hour wind. This is never the... Can't even leave from in front of my door because the wind gonna blow me. This is crazy, and a car happened to still be on the damn road. Shit is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm safe, cuz I'm good. I'm gonna stay right in my goddamn house. And I get ready to close in the door. I just wanted to show everybody what was misled again with this tropical storm that we were supposed to get. Now is a hurricane. I don't know when the Virgin Islands is going to get these things right. And for those who took it light and didn't put up shutters and didn't move this and didn't move that, they probably done lose everything already. Yes, it is. Yep, Jerry, yes, it is. This is the hurricane. And you know, I'm right here on a corner, so this is what I get in. Look, the car right here coming off the... Why are they out on the road? Why? Look at this shit here, man. The police following behind of them. You're gonna see it right now. Look at this car here on the road. Look at this craziness. Look. Police patrolling. He's not pushing it open. That's me leaning on it. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go inside. It's a good thing I cooked. It's too late to see. They better hope they can reach where they live. Look at this other car. Look. Look at this other car. Look how slow he gotta drive. Look at the wind. Look. Crazy motherfuckers, boy. But anyway, y'all, I'm closing in. My shutters is up. I'm glad that Donovan put them up, because this kind of wind right here, what we least expected, would blow in your stuff. I already heard that building 25 PMP, the whole roof blew off already. This is the kind of things that would, after we've been through what we've been through in 2017 with Irma Maria, gonna put people back in that same state of mind again, because you're being misled. But then again, you can't blame nature. This is Mother Nature right here. It was supposed to go St. Croix. It hit St. Thomas instead. This is crazy. Look at this. You got to see the waves of the wind and stuff. This is ridiculous. I'm scared to go any further. I'm getting ready to go in my goddamn house now. Of course, you know we don't have another car getting speeding. Look. Unbelievable. Of course, you know we don't have no current. That went as soon as the wind started. Thanks to Whopper. So for those who are local, Be safe. Go underneath the bed. Go in your closet. Go in your bathroom. And just act like it was Maria with them close to 200 miles per hour wind. Just try to be safe. Everybody, try to be safe. Can't believe vehicles on the road. Look at this. The wind is coming from the east. It's the east, right? It's coming from the east, but you can't tell if it's coming from the east, north, or the east, whatever, south or whatever, because the wind from what you're looking at is all over the place. Crazy. So I hope this move quick. Move to here really quick, and Miami, get ready, because you know once it leaves St. Thomas, it's coming up the coast. Florida, get ready. Let's hope it can break up before it reaches to you guys. I know, I feel the same way. Oh gosh. Okay guys, I don't want to use up too much of my phone. I might need it a little bit later, so I'll keep you all, oh gosh, I'll keep you all posted on what's going on. Damn, let me close this damn door. See y'all later. See y'all, see y'all, see y'all. Share the video for me, please, just to let everybody know what's going on and what kind of winds we are receiving, at least from my house. Just share the video for me, please. Everybody, just share it. And I'll come on from time to time, do another live to leave everybody know that at least I'm safe. I think we should just start posting and letting people know that they're safe if they're in their house and safe. Costa, Latoya, are you supposed to be getting this wind here? St. Croix, they had called this wind on St. Croix. What the hell going on? Why is it in St. Thomas? Latoya, can you call Dorian, please? Tell him he's supposed to be coming your way. Oh, on low battery. Now, Sherry, you know I don't know how to do them things there. I gotta figure it out now. But I got charge. I got a battery thing that I can recharge and stuff like that. So don't look like Whopper coming back on today. We ain't gonna get no Whopper. I hope it just don't mash up the goddamn plant and the generators and everything else down there. It's a joke now, right, Latoya? Okay. It's a joke. Just
here in St. Thomas. Apparently this is a category 1. Looks a little bit rougher than that. Incredibly high storm surge. A lot more than expected this morning. Dorian currently is, I guess, by Puerto Rico and St. Croix, so Southside St. Thomas is as close as it gets. We've already seen some coconuts flying. I mean, holy crap. Yeah, this for real. Wow, look at all this wave coming in now. Wow, that's a set. My boy Tori, Southside Sketchers. I hope all y'all got your Northside Nikes. I hope everyone's doing safe. St. Thomas, I do not think expected this to be this bad. Look at the ocean. Look at the ocean right now. It's coming up. Bomb. Yeah, that's a storm.